Guys, so this right here is the reason why I failed my 100K HyroTrader funded account. And that is what I want you to learn from. Okay? If you are not a disciplined trader, guys, you will not survive trading a funded account. And it cut across, all markets, whether it is the forex market or the crypto market or whatever that offers any funded account. Pro-firm platform are more popular with forex traders, but recently we just started, and one of the best is HyroTrader. I've tried about three different funded platform or pro-firm platform, and HyroTrader is one of those. But the rules, okay, they are very strict with their rules. So if you are not a disciplined trader, you will not survive trading a funded account. And this is the reason why I failed this account. So the thing is, I was not supposed to risk more than 5% of the account that HyroTrader gave me. And I believe this is why a lot of you are, getting into trouble. Aside the fact that some of you actually, exceed the daily drawdown or the max, drawdown. This is one of the reasons why you may fail your account if you don't, pay attention to this. So if you enter a trade, I can enter a trade with, let's say, a margin of $5,000, $10,000, or even $20,000, or even $30,000. But the stop loss must not be more than 5%. The stop loss, that's 5% of the overall capital, right? Now, when I exceeded that in one of the trade I took, I got an email. Now, what HyroTrader does is that once you exceed that, they will send you an email notification immediately and give you 1 hour to go and adjust your stop loss. If you don't do that within 1 hour, you're automatically failing that account. And that is exactly what happened to me, right? So right here, they asked me to go adjust my stop loss. Though I saw this email late, all right, I saw this email late. It was more than 1 hour already, and that was how I filled that HyroTrader account, which I will show you in a moment. As you can see right here, okay, it's a challenge failed. We'll come back to this. So now, when you receive an email like this and it is within 1 hour and they are asking you to adjust your stop loss, so all you need to do is wherever you've put your stop loss, if it is more than 5% of the capital that HyroTrader funded you, you have to go and adjust that stop loss and adjust the stop loss by editing it, not canceling it. You go and modify your stop loss. You don't cancel it. If you cancel it, you will still be in trouble. And that will bring me to the next step, which is the trading rules. Okay, this is what you must pay attention to. These trading rules right here. These rules are particular to my own account. Remember that you can buy an account with two faces, and then you can equally buy an account with one face. The particular account I bought is the one face, meaning if I do 10%, I'm already funded and I can start making withdrawals. All right. So for this particular account here, is the trading period is unlimited, and then it means you can trade for as long as you want to pass that 10%. And the next thing here is the minimum trading days is 10 days. Then the low cap altcoins. This one thing you need to know is that if you are trading an altcoin that the market cap is lower than $100 million, according to HyroTrader, that 5% of with if you trade such account with more than 5% of your initial balance, okay, this may result in the following. And one of that is that you may be assigned a new challenge. And then the second option here is that only 40% of your profit, if you make profit from such low cap altcoins, only 40% of that will be counted. All right. So if, for instance, you made $10,000, that is the 10%. If you bought the 100K account and you made $10,000 of the 10%, which you would have passed that account for you, it means that it's only 40% of that will be counted as if you are trading coins that the market cap are lower than 100 million. So what it means is that even when you can trade every coin on Bybit, because they work with Bybit, so meaning that every coin that is available on Bybit features, you can trade it on the Hyro to pass the challenge and make your withdrawal. So even at that, you are not supposed to trade every like random altcoins. Okay, you are not supposed to trade random altcoins. So you need to be very selective. That's what HyroTrader is actually saying. You need to be selective with the kind of coins that you trade. All right. So if not, it's only 40% of the profit you make from the such coin that will be counted for you. And the next thing is stop loss is mandatory. Stop loss. Before you enter a trade, you must set your stop loss and take profit. You must set, in fact, you can leave take profit open, but stop loss must be set. You must set stop loss. All right. This is one thing that one of the reasons why I'm actually buying funded account is to try to build myself to become a disciplined trader, to be more disciplined in trading, because I just noticed that I've just been playing around. Do I make money? But I've not really made money, that kind of life-changing money, which is why I always go for a funded account, right? So you must use stop losses. Not that you say, oh, when the trade triggers, I'll come and set stop loss. No. Before you open the trade, you must set stop loss. Bybit gives you the option to do that. You must set stop loss. That's one thing you need to take note of. If not, you fail the account as well. And then the daily drawdown is 4%. So if I buy a 100K account and in one day I lose $4,000 in that account, automatic disqualification. Automatic disqualification. That's the daily drawdown. So if you hit the daily drawdown, the overall drawdown is actually 6%, but if this comes up in a day, you automatically lose that account. And then the overall drawdown is 6%. So it means if I lose $1,000 today, tomorrow I lose $1,000, and maybe in a week I lose $6,000 in all with a 100K account, automatic disqualification. All right. So these are some of the things that you need to take note of. And then profit target for my phase one is just 10%. I just need to do 10% and I pass that account. Okay. And then, minimum trading, if you are inactive for 30 days, rather, if you are inactive for 30 days, your account will be deactivated. These are some of the rules that you need to understand. If you don't understand this, you just go and buy a pro forma account and you start trading anyhow, you will fail the account. All right. So with that being said, I'm going to buy another account. I know Priceless will not be happy with me, but guys, I will buy another funded account. And the reason why I'm buying another funded account is I want to build myself, right? If I am disciplined enough to adhere to these rules that the pro firm is giving me, it will not just make me a profitable trader, it will make me a better person. Even if in the nearest future I decide not to trade a funded account, I can still be good at managing my own personal capital. I was sharing with those in the office a few days ago of how taking TP is my problem, or taking partials is my problem, right? At times I've seen trades that have given me more than 200%, and I still watch that same trade come back to his stop loss. So one thing I want to do, which is why I want to buy another funded account, is to always make sure that I'm adjusting my stop loss. Whenever I'm in profit, adjust my stop loss, either close half of the position, adjust my stop loss above entry, and all of that. That is why I want to buy another account. And this time around, if I fail this particular account, then I'm giving up completely on anything that has to do with Profim account. All right. So let me just walk you through the process of getting this account. If you want to, you can get a 5% discount. I will leave the link below. So right here, you can see on the challenges option, I don't have any challenge right now, and I'm going to buy one of the challenge again. All right. So if you log into your account, to get a 5% discount, you use the link in the video description to sign up. And once you sign up, you log into your account. Once you log into your account, you want to go to where it says challenges, and then it brings you here. Just click on start new challenge. If you click on it, it brings you to the page where you have to select the challenge that you want to start. So once you're on this page, we have the 1-step challenge, and then we have the 2-step challenge. On the 2-step challenge, if you buy any of this, it means that they will require you to make 5% the first step, and then you go into the next stage, which you can make additional 10%, and then you pass that account. And the difference here is just the price. Here is cheaper, and then here is about $100 difference. So what I want to do is the 1-step. 1-step meaning I just need to do 10% of the profit, and then I get funded, and I will start trading and start making withdrawals. The 2-step can actually give you up to 200K, right? So you pay about 1,400 for 200K. But let's just do the 100K with the 1-step option. So go ahead and click on start challenge. So once you're on this page, you have the option to pay with your card, and then you have the option to pay with crypto. So I always pay with crypto, okay? And then you click on I've read and understand, and you go ahead and click on confirm and pay. So just go ahead and click on confirm and pay. So once you're on this page, you have these different options right here. You can pay with Bitcoin, you can pay with USDT, Litecoin, and the rest. So I'm going to go with USDT, and then I'll select the 𝗘𝗅𝗰𝗵𝗆. Ethereum seems to be cheaper. Why is Ethereum cheaper? Maybe the fee. Okay, let me do Arbitrum. Arbitrum is cheaper actually, yeah. throne is higher, so let's do Arbitrum 1. So the next thing now is to copy this address, right? You can pay from wallet. That's if you have I can't remember the wallet platform they use, but I'm just going to send USDT to this, right? Once it receives it automatic, it confirms that automatically for you. So let me just go ahead and do that. Let me send this address to my accounts. I've made the payment. Let's just wait for confirmation. One thing I need to let you know, if you want to trade with me, please, if you have bought a funded account, just let me know. Join us on Telegram. The link will be in the video description, and let me know. Then we can, be doing this together. I'm going to be very careful this time around with this account because I want to recoup everything that I've lost buying the funded account from the first one to this one. So I want to regain back that money. So I'm going to be very careful with this, and I'm going to be very selective with the coins that I trade as well. So I'm going to create a new watch list or trading view about the coins that I'll be trading on this funded account. So it will only be those coins that I'll be trading, right? I'm not going to be trading random coins and all of that. And that is basically it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. If you want to get an account, use the link in the video description, and do let me know on Telegram that you've gotten an account so that we can be trading, doing live trade together on this funded account so that we can pass it together. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. See you in the next video.